A little bit of nerves getting the best of her in the final, where she finished third, but this year looking a cut above everybody else in Class 3.
Rihanna Scott of Fern Court. Her mommy says she'll be taking the gold this year. She got the bronze last year. And, certainly carrying the hopes of Fern Court. We're on now to Heat 2 of 8. And on screen, from Immaculate, that's Zara Callista Henry and Rihanna Laws of Homewood, rather of Holy Childhood, York Castle's Niara Edwards, and Azaria Harris of Convent of Mercy Alpha. Corporate, second at the Curfew Trials, 11.69 from her close with Scott at the Curfew Trials. Full field now. In lane 1 will be Jessenique Samuels of Cedric Titus. In lane 2, Rihanna Laws of Holy Childhood. Zara Callista Henry of Immaculate. Fourth at the Corporate Championships, Niara Edwards of York Castle. It's over well in Class 4 a few years ago. And Azaria Harris of Alpha. In 5, Kerry-Ann Jarrett of Magatee. In 6, Danae Jackson St. Catherine. In 7, and Tatiana Thompson of Pepin in 8.
Azaria Harris has come on leaps and bounds this year. Was a semi-finalist in Class 3 at 200 last year. Competed in the high jump as well. So this year looking to go into the final of the girls 100 meters.
Number 2 on the list this season, Class 3 girls, 11.69 in giving Scott a run for her money at the Curfew Trials. She's lined up in lane 5. Sent off. Harris gets out quickly and just takes charge and is just powering home. The race is on for second. Maybe Magatee High's athlete coming through here, but Harris 11.66 and Magatee's Jarrett takes second. The outside there in lane 6. But that's Azaria Harris, much improved, 11.67. And wait, the official